how to use ChatGPT to write a book. If you're looking to use ChatGPT to write your own book about fitness, about anything that you want, and you don't know how to do it, here's what you can do. Just follow these steps. I will show you guys in this video. We'll open up ChatGPT, and first thing that we want to ask ChatGPT is to generate a prompt. For example, we want to write a ebook on fitness, and I want to ChatGPT to generate a detailed prompt for writing that book. And the first thing that ChatGPT will do is generate a professional looking prompt to write a book on fitness. And here, this is the prompt that ChatGPT has generated us. Now, the target audience, the tone and style, everything, you can go and edit this according to your own preference as well. And using this and combining the prompt, we can go and do this task. Let me just go and type in another prompt. Now, I have asked ChatGPT to generate me a book according to this prompt. And I have added some details to name it Health is Wealth. And here it has started doing generating that book for us. We can go and now generate a whole ebook using ChatGPT in this way. That's how you can go and do it for yourself as well. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.